This 2023 Winnebago Roam 59RA is a Class B RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 19 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 2, air conditioning, microwave, LP detector, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, refrigerator, and 12 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B features front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2023 Winnebago Roam 59RA is built on a Ram ProMaster chassis and is powered by a Ram engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.